actually had to climb quite a bit to get up to this point right here, and there's actually a lot more work than getting up to our campsite. And then we had to cross over a lot of really soft snow, and then climb around these rocks to get just up to these falls here. It's pretty awesome. Waldo says it's never been this, he's never seen it with this much water before, so pretty exciting. We got here just before the sun went down, and it started to rain pretty heavy, but right now it's just sprinkling a little bit, so it was really excited. It's awesome. They say hiking sucks. Look at this. We're the only two up here. What you call chest hair right there, baby. 68 miles. 68 miles. And we did it all in one evening.